That's Margarita. And Tequila's behind her. Oh, Margarita in the tube. Here's Maya. Oop. Margarita, come to the tube. Come on. Oh. Maya. See, I put that little toy on there. You can snap at Maya's head keys. Oh, she really likes the... Oh. She like... Whoops. She likes the little strings. Bonita was playing with it first, and I didn't have the camera's batteries yet. Come through, Margarita. Here, we'll try this. Come through. Oh, here comes Bonita. Come on. You don't have to be gay to enjoy a cruise. Number 7. Come on. Franklin Delano RoboCop. What list could that possibly come from? All right, Bonita, come through. Number 6 store policy. You break it, you eat it. Number 5. Anyway, it's a success. Yay! Thanks, Marty. Thanks, Cassie. Thanks, Margot. Thanks, kitties. Maya. Say goodbye.